So guys, this is the first opening that we have, which is in computer. So they are hiring for cybersecurity. Basically, this is the mail ID on which you can drop your intern, right? And you can call this number to ask what exactly position they are looking for, because I only have this set of require details, but I feel like, so how I can choose this. All right, so this is the first opening. Second opening is basically for the SOC Analyst L1, which is in Chennai. Yes, Chennai. The other requirement, good understanding of SOC and all those things, VAPT concept, all those things required. Try hack me, hack the box internship is preferred. It's in Chennai, and this is mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next is network engineer, Chennai, permanent role, 2 to 5 years experience required, 6 days of working. The other key responsibility that will be assigned to the other requirements. So it's like networking role, as you can see here. They are the skills which is required. This is mail ID on which you can drop resume, right? Next is someone is hiring for the network engineer, Chennai. Ambattur is the location, 5 plus years of experience required. L12 is the networking concept, and all those things required. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and this is the contact number on which you can call. You can ask what exactly you want, right? Next is someone is hiring for junior cybersecurity analyst. 1 plus years of experience is required. The other requirement, which is user knowledge about Linux operating system, manage engine, Ansible, similar, and all those things. CIS benchmark, which is important, and this mail ID, which you can drop your resume, right? Meanwhile, check this one. You need to write cybersecurity in the subject line. Then only you'll get selected, right? Yes, so that's all what we have for today. Cyber Coffee YouTube channel. You can subscribe. This is our Hindi channel, right? And we are bringing a video where why you're not getting selected after applying for a lot, right? So that's what we are going to cover. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.